Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to be talking to you guys about Smile Direct Club. So last week I went and got a 3D image testing on my teeth at Smile Direct Club, and they said it would take like 4 to 6 weeks for the aligners to come back, but it has only been exactly a week today and they have arrived. So came in this box here, so we're gonna open it up and see what's in the box. So we got this box. Let's open it up and see what's in there. Got this welcome card, some chewies, got some directions. So the aligners container. Got some lip balm, some teeth whitening gel, the aligners removable pen. You got some cleaning tablets, and all the aligners are right here. And an emery board gets to file the aligners down if they don't fit properly. Here's all my aligners. They have week 1, and they want you to wear them for 22 hours. There's a smile scratcher up under the box. See if anything else is in this box. So they said my treatment will be for 4 months. So let's open up week 1. This is what they look like. They look very dirty. So I'm gonna go rinse these off because that's what the direction says on the package, and I'll be back to put them in. Okay guys, so I have rinsed them off. You can look at them. They're very, very thin. They look kind of cloudy. They're not that clear. But we're gonna try them on and see if they fit. I don't know if you can see that there. Might have to be filed down, but we're gonna try them on first. See if this is the top. Here's the bottom. So I finally got them in properly. They are super tight, make me feel like I'm holding a lot of spit in my mouth at times. But so far so good. Tight. So I'll keep you guys updated on this journey and let you know how it goes.